Hey there, welcome back to Oils with Lynn. Today we're talking about one incredible oil blend that is only from doTERRA. It's called DDR Prime. If you've never heard of it before, you're going to want to stick around because what I'm sharing about today is huge for your long-term wellness, especially at a cellular level. DDR Prime is a regenerating, correcting, and repairing blend designed to support your body all the way down to its foundation, your cells. Cellular damage from free radicals is an underlying contributor to so many of today's health challenges. Our bodies are bombarded daily by stress, toxins, and environmental factors that make it harder to repair themselves. DDR Prime steps in as a powerful support to your body's natural ability to restore and renew. Each essential oil and DDR Prime blend plays a unique role in protecting the body. Frankincense and wild orange have both been shown to promote a healthy response to free radicals. Clove oil delivers some of nature's most powerful antioxidant properties. Nioli and thyme support cellular immunity and overall cellular health. Summer savory helps your body's natural mechanisms deal with oxidative stress. And lemongrass offers protection against environmental threats. For convenience, DDR Prime comes in both a 15 milliliter essential oil bottle as well as an easy to take soft gel. Now here's what I love about DDR Prime. It helps your body's damaged DNA response. So years ago, I heard Justin Harrison and Dr. Hill explain that DDR stands for damaged DNA response. Your body's natural function to get rid of damaged DNA and replace it with healthy DNA codes in your cells. The problem is when our bodies are taxed, like they are daily in this modern world, this process just doesn't work as well, and damaged DNA can start to take over. DDR Prime helps restore balance so your body can repair and correct at the cellular level. Here are some of the top reasons people reach for DDR Prime. The big C: hormonal balance and estrogen, progesterone, and thyroid. Nerve damage. Also autoimmune disorders, seizures and neurological conditions, Alzheimer's and cognitive decline. It's really for anyone who wants to protect long-term wellness and keep their immune system strong. You can take DDR Prime internally, either in a soft gel or by adding a few drops to a veggie capsule. You can also use it topically on the bottoms of your feet or directly over any area of concern. And yes, you can diffuse it too. Here's a testimonial from Andy Larson. She says, DDR is great for boosting your immune system because it is full of antioxidants. I like to diffuse it at night. It is also great in a roller bottle with frankincense and balance for kids, especially kids with speech, behavioral, or academic IEPs, as it is a powerful neural supporter. Also, anyone with a personal or family history of the big C should be taking DDR Prime every single day. Thanks for sharing, Andy. DDR Prime is one of the most comprehensive blends for protecting your wellness from the inside out. If you're serious about supporting your body at a cellular level, this is an extremely valuable piece in your long-term wellness. Okay, and also, friends, I want to invite you to our Facebook group filled with tips, recipes, and ideas for helping your family thrive with natural solutions. You can ask questions there for any of your health needs. I've linked it in the description, so be sure to join us. We'd love to have you join us there. Make sure to subscribe for more natural health tips. And share this with someone who needs to know about what DDR Prime can do to restore and renew cellular function.